How to solve calculus problems in PhotoMath app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After that, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, you will see this kind of interface. You don't need to sign up or log into your account. It'll open up the camera directly. From here, you can scan the math problems. In order to solve the calculus problems in this app, you need to use this camera to capture a clear image of the calculus equation. For example, have a calculus problem ready. Let's say if I capture this problem over here, you have to put the problem that you want to solve within this frame. You can see this rectangle frame. Capture the problem within this. And there you go. It will come up with the instant solution. This is the initial solution. You can tap on it to see the detailed step-by-step instructions. So tap on the Show Solving Steps button and it will give you the detailed explanation. You can tap on every steps in order to get the detailed explanation. So that's it. That's how we can easily solve calculus problems in PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.